Hello everyone, I'm here with Jean-Christophe Gauthier, who's Director of Operations at Optonique. He will tell us about the main application fields and photonics ecosystem in Canada. Optonique is like EPIC. It's an industry association who is there to help its members understand the photonics market, but to the difference of EPIC, it's much older. If you go back to the history, Optonique goes back until 1947. Quebec is 50% of the photonics industry in Canada. So this is why the EPIC delegation trip will focus on that specific region. And Jean-Christophe will tell us about Quebec City, Montreal, Ottawa, which is where we will be visiting 15 companies. The EPIC delegation trips allow our members to discover and learn about a new market. Typically we visit companies. As I said, we'll be visiting 15 companies. We combine it with an exhibition, with a conference. In this case, we'll combine it with Photonics North. So you come back with a whole stack of business cards and relations, whether it's customers, suppliers, or partners. This year, EPIC has planned delegation trips to China, Taiwan, Korea, Malaysia, Singapore, Japan, India, United Arab Emirates, but next in line is our trip to Canada on 13 and 15 of June. The program is under development, so please visit our website regularly. But I'd like to give the floor to Jean-Christophe Gauthier, who will tell us about photonics in Canada, but specifically in Quebec. Jean-Christophe, the floor is all yours.
Excellent. Thanks to all the EPIC team, and thank you, Carlos, for the kind introduction. I'm Jean-Christophe Gauthier, Director of Operations at Optonique, and it is my pleasure to give you this brief overview of the Quebec region's dynamic photonics ecosystem. In numbers, the photonics industry in Quebec represents roughly 220 businesses, the majority of which are SMEs and startups. For a population of about 8.5 million people, this represents around 22,000 jobs. Thus contributing significantly to the region's economy. A trademark of Quebec's photonics ecosystem is its diversity of expertise and products. Our companies address almost every application sector you can think of, but the most important are life and health sciences, advanced manufacturing, aeronautics and aerospace, test, monitoring, metrology, defense and security, but there are also a significant number of companies working in the telecom space and clean energy. So it's very diverse. In Quebec, you'll also find plenty of SMEs operating at various levels of the supply chain, notably fellow EPIC members like Teraction, Coractive, Eponics, and many more, which I encourage you to take a look at their website to learn more. There's also several innovation partners like Optech, which is the National Optics Institute, CMC Microsystems, or the C2MI that can help companies worldwide. There's also a strong presence of mature players in the region, most of which you may already know. During the Canada mission, you'll have the opportunity to visit 3 leading-edge innovation hubs, namely Quebec City, Montreal, and Ottawa. Quebec City is home to top-tier research institutions like the Center for Optics, Photonics, and Lasers, which has world-class facilities located at Laval University, or innovation institutions like INO. In Montreal, there's 6 universities with photonics-related activities, and Metropolis is also a world-renowned leader in AI development. You also find several local branches of large companies like the ones I've shown previously. And finally, Ottawa is also home to a very prolific photonics industry and research ecosystem, and is also home to the Canadian Photonics Fabrication Center, which has unique capabilities in photonic integrated circuits. For those wishing to participate in the EPIC delegation, you'll be joining the Photonics North Conference on June 14th, reuniting hundreds of researchers, students, and industrial representatives in the Exhibition Center of Montreal. And with that, I would like to welcome you to join us and discover our wonderful photonics ecosystem. Please feel free to contact us at Optonique if you wish to know more about photonics in the region. And if you're interested in participating in the EPIC delegation, please reach out to Carlos. He's your contact. This is going to be great.
Jean-Christophe, thank you very much for giving us this snapshot presentation of the very rich ecosystem of photonics in Quebec. Thank you.
Thank you.